Getting ready to go where? Where? Yes, baby. Where? Somebody's ready to go where? Hello, guys. Hello, guys. Hello, guys. Hello, guys. How you guys doing? Welcome back to my channel. It's been a long time I did this vlog kind of video, but guess what? We are going out for the first time in how many months? Like 2 months. 2 months. Like April, May. Since April. In fact, before April, we didn't even go out. April was, I had a dental appointment I needed to just go for, and I came back, so it wasn't for leisure. And so now, for the first time since March, you can't go there, but darling. Yeah, you take it off. So for the first time in 3 months, we are going out to the beach. We are going out. We came to Magazine Beach, but it's looking very bare and nothing is really happening here. So anyway, it's not like we're expecting anything to happen here. People are just coming out from the quarantine. But this is Magazine Beach. It's actually, look at the blue sea. I told you, Grenada is beautiful. Can you see that hill there? Anyway, we're going to Coconut Beach now because I think it should be livelier there. So let's go. Road leads to Sandals, Grenada. So we're here at where now? Coconut Beach. So we're here at Coconut Beach. It's kind of scanty, but you can understand because of the quarantine that is just starting to get lifted. Sean, say hi. Good job, Ali and Sean. Okay. Yes, I took a picture. So we got chicken and everything, packed food and all that. These children came here, sand, sand, sand. I don't even know what I was expecting. So much sand everywhere. I have to now protect the chicken because we might end up just throwing it away. Brought barbecue sauce, everything. Now, sand everywhere. Sand. I've been dusting sand since I came here. It's not looking like the fun I envisaged, but c'est la vie. Let's see how it goes.
Mommy, what are you doing?
Come talk to the camera. It's been a long time, Aliyah.
You're doing like this.
I'm dancing. So we are back. Let me not lie. It was stressful. I didn't like the heat. We weren't having fun at all. The kids were having fun, but me, I wasn't. We carried our food back. So this is chicken, some chips, and some barbecue sauce. It's not the healthiest, but these were the things we put for the fun activity. That wasn't so much fun. Oh wow, we need that sunshine. I'm so grateful because I can imagine going for school runs this period. I can imagine working this period. The heat, the whole car was so hot. Oh wow. Good morning, people.
Good morning, people.
Good morning.
We're going to the beach again.
Yes, we're going to the beach again. If you watch just few minutes before this video, man, you know that we went to the beach. Was it 2 days ago? 2 days ago.
Know.
2 days ago. Was it 2 days ago? And it wasn't fun at all. It was 2 days ago. It wasn't fun at all because it was so hot. We went like in the middle of the day, about 1, 2 or so. Oh, it was so hot. I didn't enjoy it. So we decided that we were going in the morning. You can see it was like we just woke up, but it's actually almost 8 o'clock now because we were just at home trying to clean up some things before we leave the house. So we're going to the beach this morning. It's a lot cooler now. It's a lot cooler now, so we'll enjoy the beach. So the lesson is that is either you go in the morning or you go late in the evening. That's how you enjoy the beach. We're going to a different beach today. We're going to Grandance Beach.
Fans, I hope you subscribe to our video, and then it will be I wish you could subscribe to my video. Then if you subscribe 1,000 likes, to this video, then Daddy has to swim.
Oh,
Swim.
Daddy's gonna swim.
Yes, Daddy's gonna swim.
I'm not gonna bet on that.
Yeah.
Anyway, so subscribe to our channel and give this video a lot of likes. A lot of likes. She's always bombarding me. Mommy, how many subscribers do you have? Mommy, how many subscribers do you have? So she's my personal assistant.
Do you know Mommy has 70 subscribers?
Yes.
And it's like 7 and a 0.
Okay.
Almost to 100.
Yeah, so you guys help me so that my subscriber counts can go up so that more people can view my content. Okay. I told you she's my personal ginger manager. Like, the girl gingers me for YouTube videos.
I love her YouTube videos. Even like when I'm always watching the tablet, it just pops up and then I just press her YouTube video.
Yeah. Anyway, she has used her teeth to buy akara. So we are waiting for it. We're waiting for it to come out. It's been a long time. She lost these two upper teeth, but we'll be waiting. Like we want
Like
to do
1,000 years.
fasting and prayer or mountain of fire for these teeth to grow out. See
And
them
it's
too.
still not growing.
You're cute all the same. I love my baby. I love her very much. So let's go to Brandon's beach. We're waiting for Daddy. He's getting
Okay,
ready.
let's go.
This is a better atmosphere. It's cooler here. We're Yes, it is.
Yeah, make them.
Wow, it's been a jolly, jolly, jolly outing. See, you don't even need food for it to be jolly. We just made up our mind this morning and we came, and it was really fun. It is really fun because we're still here compared to 2 days ago. So the lesson I've learned: if it's really really hot, don't even go to the beach. Yes, what an irony, right? You're supposed to go to the beach when it's really hot, but we need that heat, especially the one of 2 days ago. It wasn't something to write home about. So I'm so happy we did the fun. Now the kids know that they really had fun. I know the other one, they said they had fun, but they were like, nah. But this one, I know they enjoyed themselves. We all swam, we all did great. On how much? $0. So you don't need dollars to have fun. Just experience things, right? Anyway, nothing spoiled. From me to you, it's XOXO. Bye!